Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically wrap your text with a shape in Adobe Illustrator. So I have this circle here and I want to kind of cut it. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Then I'm going to add in a text that said summer waves maybe. I don't know. Totally up to you what you want to type in, of course. So here I'm going to choose an orange for summer, and this one I'll choose blue. And I'm going to right click, create outlines for both of them. Make sure you select both of these shapes, arrange, bring to front. Select just this shape and the text, go to object, envelope distort, make with top object, and you're going to do the same thing here. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!